block of mass 5 kg is placed on a rough inclined surface as shown in figure. If F1 is the force required to just move the block up the inclined plane and F2 is the force required to just prevent the block from sliding down, then the value of mod of F1 minus F2 is, and take G equal to 10 meter per second square. So let us try to solve in two parts. The first case, according to first case, what we have to do, assuming that I have to slide the block in the upward direction, means I have to apply the force in the upward direction, that is the F1. And if the block had tendency to go up, then one force acting here, 50 sine 30 become 25 Newton, and one force act here mu into n, because n here act in this direction, and the mg cos 30 become 25 root 3, 25 root 3, here become mu into 25 root 3, and they have given the value of mu is 1 by 10. This is coming out to be 5 root 3 by 2. This is a friction force. So from there you can write the F1 will be equal to 25 plus 5 root 3 by 2. Now for the second case, again try to draw the diagram for better understanding. If I draw the diagram here, and now if I try to visualize the situation again here. So this, see again the 25 Newton act in this direction. Again the normal force act in this direction, and again 25 root 3 act in this direction, and now we have to prevent the block from sliding. The block had tendency to slide down, so the F2 act in this direction, and also the mu into 25 means 5 root, same value, 5 root 3 by 2 act in this direction. So from there you can write F2 is equal to 25 minus 5 root 3 by 2. Now we have to subtract this. I can subtract this and this. So I am getting F1 minus F2 is equal to 5 root 3 Newton. When you check the option, the first option not matching, second option not matching, third option not matching, and fourth option not matching. That means this question is right, but no option is matching. So I think students should get in this bonus. Okay, so no issue for option. I think you understand what is the logic behind solving this question, and that will be helpful for you too much.